Hello, I'm your friend Lei, and I'm vlogging here. Today, I find a funny thing when I study in the driving school. When I have rested in my study, I find a bird catch a bat. Maybe it's a magpie, but I find this bird is bigger than magpie, so I'm not sure. I'm not sure. It is a magpie. I find the bird catches the bat maybe 2 minutes. In the beginning, I think maybe the bird and the bats will live in minutes, but it's still fly in the air. So I take out my mobile phone and capture it. Today's video will be short videos, and I want my friends don't hate me make these videos. Maybe it's boring videos, but I think it's a funny thing in my life, and I never see it. I see the cat catch the mouse, and a dog catch a cat, but I don't think a bird catches the bat. So I capture it and record it in my life, in my computer, in my YouTube. So please forgive me. And a lot of thing is I want to say thank you to my every friends. You know, when I upload a video, maybe I will have 2 or 3, 4 comments below or down my videos. When I see it, I feel happy. Because I usually take my mobile phone, so I capture the videos with my mobile phone. So the videos is not clean, and now it's in the evening, so the night is not enough, so the video is not clean. So I want to say sorry to everyone, and please support me, and I just want to make friends with you. You are in a different country and speak different language, and my mother language is Chinese, but I still practice it every day and speak the English in the videos. I do my best and try to speak more and more English. Maybe it's wrong, and maybe it's wrong spell, and or maybe wrong pronouncing. But I want it someday I will do it better and speak good and good, more fluently, and between you and me is community easy. So and I want to another thing is in the beginning of parts, maybe the parts I forget it, how to say. In the beginning parts is my video. I sit here to speak to everyone, and in the end parts is broadcast the bed. It's short videos. I capture it too late, so I think it's a boring thing. Please forgive me. In the end, I want to say thank you, my friends. Thank you for watching, and I want to say see you, friends, and good night. Have a good dream. It's a good dream, and I remember in the last day, in my last videos, not in last day, in my recent video, I speak a dialogue or speak a word. I say have a good stream, and I find this dialogue is wrong in right now, in today, and the right speaker is have a good dream. Maybe it's right, so please tell me which dialogue is right. I think have a good dream. It's a good speak, or it's a good dialogue. Okay, bye bye, my friends. I will do my best, speak more and more. Bye bye.
我打赌现在打了3个月。来，你想什么？你想是什么孩子？
看个小蝙蝠。
是蝙蝠。装的天不跑。
那你要吃的嘞？
好呀。